The Mitsubishi Concept-RA is a concept car manufactured by Mitsubishi Motors and first revealed at the North American International Auto Show in January 2008. Although there has been no official confirmation, the automotive press has speculated that this prototype presages the next generation of the Mitsubishi Eclipse.The car has an aluminium space frame chassis and features a 4N14 2.2-liter clean diesel producing 150 kilowatts, 200 PS, and 420 Nm, 310 lb, powering all four wheels through the company's S-AWC drivetrain and SST twin-clutch transmission. Following the lead of other recent Mitsubishi prototypes, green plastic recyclable resin is used extensively in the body panels and interior for environmental reasons. References